Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my eyelash extensions. I do the individual lashes, and I know it might not be the safest and healthiest way to do your lashes, but that's what works for me, and I want to show you a little bit of the products that I use, how I do it, and how the whole process works if you are considering doing it yourself. I just want to let you know I'm not a lash technician, so please don't judge what I'm doing. I hope that you like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not following me on my social media yet, don't forget that you can do so. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is the primer that I usually apply before doing my lashes. This is the Lash Primer from Eyelash. You can get it from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below, and I usually apply it just with one of these thingies. I don't know what they're called. But I wash my lashes and then I apply my primer and let my lashes dry so that I have really good retention. And then I have this mirror that it's like a lot of zoom so that I can really see my lashes. For lashes, I am using this Quell pack, and this pack from VI's Ink. This one is for doing classic eyelashes, and this one is for volume. These ones are like really easy to make into fans, so if you're a beginner, this would be the pack to go with. Both of these I got them from Amazon, and I'm also gonna link them down below. Right now I'm trying to do a hybrid look, so I'm gonna use some of these volume lashes along with the classical one. For the volume, I'm using 0.05 double C. And for the classic, I'm using the flat lashes 0.15 on the C curl. And for glue, I recommend this one from Lash. This is a super stay glue. I really like this one because it has very low fumes, so if you're doing lashes on yourself, I recommend going with one that is for sensitive eyes or that has very low fumes. And I'm using a ring glue as well. Remember that you always have to shake your glue before doing your lashes, so I'm gonna shake it for like 20 to 30 seconds. I just shake it side to side instead of up and down. I rather that's a little better for your glue. I know that this might not be the best way to do your lashes, so please, lash artists, don't come at me. This is what I like doing and this works for me, so be careful if you do it on yourself. It might be better to go to a lash artist and healthier, but this is what works for me. I always try to start with my outer corner so I can have a really nice cat eye. I always do my volume fans while I'm doing my lashes, but you can also prep them before that. And to do the fans, I grab like 3 or more lashes and then just start splitting them up just like I show you here, and then just take them with my tweezers and add some glue on the tip of them. Then to apply them, I just make sure that I'm splitting out all of my lashes and separate them so I can only see one. I help myself with the other tweezers and make sure that I don't poke my eye or nothing, and that's how I apply one by one. Just make sure that I isolate a single lash and apply that on top of it. I basically do the same thing throughout my eye and just combine volume with classic lashes to achieve a hybrid look. And then after that, I use a sealer. I use this one from Bailin, and I just apply this all over my lashes after they're dry, and this helps my lashes last longer and I can get them wet and they won't fall off. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you really like it. Again, I'm not a lash technician. This is what works for me, and my lashes look really good. I do like lash fills every 2 to 3 weeks depending on how much I pick on them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.